the drill, guys. I'm away, so we're going to be sharing my outfits as much as I can remember to do so. If you want to see a couple more that are like a bit more up to date and, okay, not up to date because when you watch this it's not going to be up to date, but if you want to see a couple more that are more like often, because they probably will be, then head to my TikTok because I've posted loads, I'm sure, by this point. I know I've just done about 17 TikToks waiting to go to dinner because I'm really early getting ready, but this is what I'm wearing tonight for our first dinner. I kind of just threw on the first thing that came out of my suitcase that didn't need ironing, surprisingly, because I thought this would need ironing. But I've got this blazer, which is actually from M&S. Obsessed with this blazer. This is probably about, I think it was like £65, right? Which sounds like a lot of money, but bear in mind, I always buy like the Zara or the H&M blazers, which are about £45 to £50. This is £15 more expensive and the quality is so much better. I really like the way it's structured, like it just fits so much nicer. And if you've ever seen my videos before, you know that I love a H&M and a Zara blazer, but this one is just miles better. Underneath, I've just got the little Zara t-shirts. This is like one that comes with like matching skirts and stuff, but it's like a double lined, like really nice, super soft one. I think it's the 365 collection, but I'm not sure. I'll link it, but it's just a gorgeous, really easy, simple t-shirt, and I quite like how cropped it is. So it's the only one I've packed because it's really good for wearing like this, or also wearing as a base layer if it's a bit chilly. And then I've got these trousers, which are from Pull & Bear. These are from like ASOS Pull & Bear. I want to say like the beginning of the year, if not end of last year. And then I've got my New Balance 608s on my feet. And I'm going to be taking my Songmont bag. So we're actually going for rooftop drinks in a minute, and then we're heading to a restaurant for dinner that's not like fancy, but I feel like I can get away with this because it's kind of like, this is what I would deem to be like non-fancy London dining outfit, you know? So I've just got literally trainers and stuff, but I don't know the vibe here. I feel like here is a very jeans and t-shirt kind of place, but this to me is kind of like dressing down without feeling like a slob at dinner, and I wanted to wear something nice because I've been in sweatpants since like 4 o'clock this morning. So this is what I'm wearing. I need to go and quickly give my teeth a little brush because I haven't brushed them since 5 AM. It's technically like midnight at home, that's a bit rank. And I'm gonna head out the door. So I'll see you for my next outfit update. It's the next day, so we've got another little outfit. I'm actually running a bit late. I need to head down in a minute because we're meeting at a coffee shop for some breakfast, and I was actually really early and on time, and then I started doing loads of things and now I'm not. So this is what I'm wearing for today. Got a Zara bomber jacket on, which is like the classic soft kind of felty one. This is in a large, and I thought I'd go oversized because I'm an oversized girl. I like long oversized coats, so going fully cropped to me is a bit of a transition that I don't know if I'm ready for. So I thought I'd just go for a nice midpoint and get like a couple of sizes bigger in a crop jacket and hope it works. I really like it, I love it so much. And then I've got a little Zara high neck vest on, which isn't for sale anymore. I've had it for about 4 years, and I always find similar on like Hollister and stuff, so I'll try and link similar if I can. My Songmont bag, of course, I always bring this. Little cap, just because I'm going to pop that on when we leave, but I don't want to make my hair too flat before we're actually out. And then I've got my weekday row jeans on. These are the length 32, I'm 5'4". They are a little bit long for me. I have long legs, but these are a little bit long. I just like folding them over, and then I can wear them with heels and stuff if I've got like heel boots. And then I've got my Ego Ugg Tasman dupes on as well. But I'm gonna go because I'm running really late and I need to go downstairs and meet everyone and then fill my body with some caffeine. We've changed hotels, so we've got a slightly different outfit spot, and it's not as bright in here, which is kind of different lighting to the last place because the last place was so bright, which is weird because the windows are so huge, but it's just, if I open it too much I think it's a bit too bright. But today I am just wearing this. So this is actually a t-shirt from my collection with Make Thread, which I don't think is available anymore, but this is one that never got released, which is just the white version of the Energy t-shirt. I'll link some similar like oversized t-shirts, but I really like it. I just didn't release the white one because I feel like it's not thick enough, because like if you wear certain underwear you can still see it. So I just thought, like, I love it for myself, but I didn't want to release it and then it not be great. But yeah, then I've got white jeans on. These are the End of the Story's favourite cut, I love them. And then I'm going to pop on some black boots because I was going to wear Uggs, but these sit at a really awkward length, so I thought boots will do. And then I'm going to go for, I think, my trench coat today. I'm undecided what coat I want to do, but I think trench coat might just be quite handy. And we're doing like a cable car through the city, which if you've never seen, San Francisco has like really infamous cable cars, and they basically just go like up and down the hills and stuff because it's very hilly here. So we're gonna go ride one of them, and I think that could be quite a cute outfit for like hanging out of a cable car, like wearing this and just being like, oh, like I'm in San Francisco. It's actually really hard to dress for things when you're getting pictures because every outfit needs to be like thought out by what you're doing, if that makes sense. Like it's really challenging to think of outfits that work well for different things, but when you're doing like multiple things at once. So we're actually heading out later on a catamaran. So we're just going to go see San Francisco from the water, which is going to be really cool actually. It's not the kind of catamaran where you can like get in the water or anything, it's just like a way to see the city differently, and I think this is just a good outfit for that. And then if I get a bit chilly, I'm going to put a jumper on my shoulders just so I've got like a something else for when it gets a bit chilly. But I quite like the all white vibe on a boat, but now I'm actually questioning whether I want to wear this or whether I want to put my blue jeans on. I might put my blue jeans on. Blue jeans and Uggs with the trench coat, or blue jeans, Uggs and my leather jacket. No, I don't know. I think I'm going to change. What do we think? Or do I go for black boots still? I can't decide. I don't know if it's the t-shirt that's throwing me. I'm thinking maybe jumper, because I have a cute jumper. I have this from Abercrombie, which I've not worn yet. That could be quite cute. Let me try it on. Is this cute? I don't know. I can't work out whether this is like... I don't know. I'm really struggling. I was going to do leather trousers, but I thought if we're getting on a boat, that's a bit much. So I think I'm going to do like this. I just feel very oversized. But I think like this, and then I'm maybe going to do the trench, because the trench just works. And potentially boots, because the Uggs do look a bit big. Like maybe do boots. So like this outfit, but with this over my shoulders, black boots, and then maybe this bag. Undecided, or maybe my Gucci bag. I'm very indecisive today. I'm about to leave to go to Portola Festival Day 2, and this is what I'm wearing. So I've got my leather trousers, which are from Abercrombie. These are like the really comfy, really good fitting ones. This little crop is from Zara, and I went for like the most minimal crop that I have. I was going to go for a bandeau, but I didn't bring it, so I thought this was quite nice because it's like less everyday vibes. And then I've got my trainers on, which don't really go with the rest of the outfit, but I don't have anything else I can wear apart from like knee-high boots, which I just think are not the vibe right now. So I'm gonna go for this. I'm taking a jumper, I've got my bag. I'm not loving my outfit, I'll be honest, but we're just gonna go with it. Hello guys, I'm about to head out the door. I'm very tired, but this is what I'm wearing for the day. So I've just got on some leggings, little t-shirt, my Burberry vintage blazer, and this cute little crossbody, which I actually need to make a bit longer, it's quite short, but this is from TikTok shop. And then I've actually got a green jumper that I'm going to pop over my shoulders, but I'm thinking that could be good for like chucking on if I get a bit cold. And then I'm just going to put my New Balances on. But we're going to ride bikes around Sonoma, go wine tasting, walk around a forest. So I figured the least dressy option possible was a good idea, but I also wanted to keep to the autumn tones, so that's why we've got the blazer going on. But I quite like this outfit. I feel like it's a bit of a vibe, and I'm very comfy, so I'm gonna head out the door. I'm running late. I need to go. That's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed seeing some of what I wore in San Francisco. Some of these clips were very chaotic, but I wanted to try a new style for this one and not just do like mirror videos the whole time. I wanted to kind of get dressed with you and share with you what I was putting on and what I was thinking about, etc. So I hope you liked it, and I hope you got some inspiration from the outfits for like autumn, or if you're going anywhere that's kind of similar temperature. All of the links and stuff, like I said, will be down in the description box, along with like just various other bits and pieces. So hopefully you can go there and check that out. If you're listening to my podcast, obviously go ahead. It's called The Good Vibes Club on Spotify and Apple Podcasts, etc. It's a good time. It's all about living your best life. And yeah, if you like this video, guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more from me, and I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye.